TwoTimes AI is the new game changer in AI software, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or new to the world of AI, this software is definitely making waves, and for good reason. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if TwoTimes AI is the tool that can take your business to the next level. Before we jump in, remember, you can try TwoTimes AI for completely free through the first link in the description below, no strings attached. Now, let's get into it. First off, TwoTimes AI is designed to streamline digital marketing tasks with cutting-edge machine learning. It focuses on enhancing marketing campaigns by automating tedious processes that usually eat up your time. Whether it's content creation, data analysis, or predictive analytics, TwoTimes AI does it all, and it does it efficiently. It's got the power to save you hours, if not days, of manual work. One of the most impressive features of TwoTimes AI is its ability to personalize customer experiences. It takes data and creates tailored marketing strategies based on customer behavior, improving engagement rates. Gone are the days of generic mass marketing. This software ensures that each campaign is as effective as possible. Another major plus is its user-friendly interface. Even if you have never touched an AI tool before, TwoTimes AI has made it easy to set up and use. There's no steep learning curve here. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and simple enough that anyone can jump in and get to work without frustration. This ease of use is a game changer for those who need results fast. When it comes to data-driven decisions, TwoTimes AI stands out. It doesn't just help you gather data, it helps you interpret and act on it. Through powerful predictive analytics, it helps forecast trends and customer behavior, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. This level of insight can seriously improve your ROI over time. Let's talk about automation. With TwoTimes AI, tasks like social media management, email marketing, and content creation are automated to the point where you can essentially set it and forget it. The software learns from past campaigns to optimize future ones, ensuring that every action taken is more precise than the last. Security is also a huge priority for TwoTimes AI. This software ensures that your data is protected with top-tier encryption methods. As we all know, data breaches are a major concern, especially when dealing with sensitive customer information. But with TwoTimes AI, you can rest assured your business and client data are safe. Lastly, scalability. TwoTimes AI can grow with your business. Whether you're running a small startup or a large enterprise, the software is built to scale seamlessly. It doesn't matter if you're dealing with 100 customers or 100,000, TwoTimes AI can handle it. To sum it up, TwoTimes AI offers a powerhouse of tools to elevate your digital marketing efforts. With its easy interface, powerful automation, predictive analytics, and top-notch security, it's a standout in the AI software market. Plus, it's free to try with no commitments, so you have nothing to lose. After trying thousands of AI software tools myself, I found my recommended options linked in the description below. Go ahead and check them out if you're looking for more AI tools to boost your business. But for now, give TwoTimes AI a shot and see if it's the next step in your digital marketing journey.